Hey Jorge, this is Miss Randall. This is a video for you to show you a couple new tool that I haven't taught yet, but I want it is coming up. It's a little more advanced, but I think it'll help you fix this drawing. It's called the stretch tool, and it does live up here. It's right here in the modify command. If you look up here, you click on it. It's called stretch, and the reason is because you can see that these numbers are slightly off. So here's what I would suggest. This is supposed to be 90. So what I would use is use the stretch command. The shortcut for it is S, enter. Then if you select objects from right to left, like so, you will only get the objects that you want to move together. You hit enter, and that would be find the very utmost quadrant here. And you notice this has to be 90, so I'm going to stretch it 10, and then it moves it up. Notice I left behind a piece. Now the reason I left that behind is because that is the way you drew it. But I wonder if you can modify your array in the same way. So that's just a little bit of information that I think should be helpful for you in doing this project. Keep in mind you could also make this piece and this piece part of the array as well. So I'm going to undo what I just did and show you the stretch command again and see. This time I'm going to edit it in the array. So I'm going to double click on the array, and I'm in the edit mode as you can see above. Again, this needs to be 25, and right now you have it at 24.4137. If I put in a line, and I'm going to start it from this point, and I stretch it up to 25. Oh, let's try that again. Yeah, that was right. You can see that it's off about that much. So what I can do is, again, using the stretch command, S. You can see it gives me the stretch there, enter. I'm going to grab the end of this pill shape is what I'm going to call it, and hit enter. I'm going to move the center of this circle, if I can find it here, which I believe to be, where is it? Okay. Make sure you have the center on. Yep, it's on. Okay. Right there, okay? Move it to, you want to not include okay, that was a good example of what not to do. Don't include the line when you do the stretch command. So I'm going to hit S, enter. I will select, this time, just the shape. There it is, okay? And then I'm going to hit enter, because I don't want to select the line. Then I'm going to go from, again, the center of the circle that you created at the end of this pill shape, and I'm going to stretch it to that point. And then you can see, let's put that dimension in right here to the end of that line. It should be 25. Okay, hope that helps.